Yes, ma'am.
Hi, so we would like one spicy rice with lamb and the combination, and then one regular combination. Chef and Chefettes.
What's up, YouTube?
We are
back with another video, baby.
Oh yeah, back with another road trip, baby.
On the road again. Something on the road again.
Stop, because we're gonna lose subscribers. Stop.
We already lost subscribers.
Stop. Don't sing.
Okay.
All right, Chef Trini.
I'm not singing. Jeez.
No, I was gonna ask you where we're going.
These.
This one's not it.
This is definitely it.
This was not it, bro.
These where? These
where?
These nuts. Got him. Got him.
I told you this one's not it.
Guys, we're going to the city, New York City, NYC, New York, New York.
I'm from New York, and things are made up.
You tell me not to sing, but you over here sounding like a bat out of hell.
Yo, I didn't even say what you sounded like, but you gonna judge my singing?
I definitely am. I definitely am. Oh, damn, pothole. You know you in New York when you hitting potholes.
Yo.
Guys, we're going to the city. We're taking you guys along. So we hope you like this video. Make sure to comment and subscribe. Stay tuned till we get there.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, chefs and chefettes.
Hey.
Guys, we're in the city
Oh, yeah.
at Adel's famous halal food.
I'm excited. The line is ridiculous.
Ridiculous. This is the halal that you need to be.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait, first of all, you're not gonna speed past that like you didn't just say what you just said.
Yeah. Well, apparently it is with this line.
This is supposed to be a spot. If you know, you know, but this is supposed to be the halal spot that you gotta try.
So we gonna know.
It's our first time. Never had Adel's. We had a lot of others. You know their names. That's pretty close from here too. But they said if you like those guys, then you're gonna love Adele. So we're trying Adele's today.
And we are excited.
And we brought you along. Guys, it's been 20 minutes. We're still on the line. Can you believe it?
I told you guys the line was real long.
This line is ridiculous. 20 minutes. And there's still about 20 people in front of us.
Are you hungry?
Show them the line. Show them.
It's more than 20 people.
Not the guy behind. Show them the line. You think we playing? This line long. I'm ready to go home.
Let's come here. Shut your stupid ass up. Say that, folks. What did your dumb ass say it?
All right. We're almost there. Almost.
We'll see you when we get there.
Yeah. So 2 cambuero and 1 lamb spicy.
Yep.
That's it.
And did you order one of
And a gyro, a lamb gyro.
اوكي. هاك حق 2 cambuero هاي. 1 لام سبايسي هاي، 1 لام جاي.
We finally got the goods.
Oh
It
yeah.
only took about an hour.
The price is really good.
Show them the line. Go ahead.
Line just keeps going. That line, guys, no line, is so long. It grew from the time we got on the line. But you know what? We're gonna go ahead and show you guys what this food's about. Can't wait to try it. It's about to go down.
What's up, YouTube? We are back! Back with the goods, baby! Damn, why you all up on me? I ain't got no space. I ain't got no arm space, nothing.
First of all, I haven't even moved. You're over there moving all over the place.
So close. Guys, we are back from Adel's. Man, I'm excited.
You're always excited for
I'm so excited, guys. We've never had Adel's. And if you know halal food, right now they saying this is the halal food of New York.
Yeah, #1.
So I'm gonna
better
jump right-
than what's that other place?
I'm not gonna say their names.
All right.
Dumb guys.
Dumb guys.
Dumb guys.
That's a good one.
So what we gotta do? We gotta say grace. Let's say grace real quick. Grace. All right. Let's unbox these mammajamas. Let's open these up and show the people what we're working with, guys. We both got the mix, which is chicken and lamb.
You're a handful.
Okay.
A real handful.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Guys,
Guys, if anybody thinks they can handle or deal with Chef Trini on a daily basis, drop a comment below. I will personally send you the address of where you can pick his ass up.
Guys, so we got chicken and lamb with the white sauce and the hot sauce. It's looking good. I'm excited. And here we got some extra white sauce, some extra green sauce, and some extra hot sauce. Oh, yeah.
Let me take a picture. Let me take a picture.
Go ahead, get the picture.
Alright,
Can you see it?
I can see it. Let me do one with a flash.
Yeah, make sure you get mine too.
I got yours. Don't worry.
Okay.
Don't you worry.
Guys, we've never been to Adele's. It was $9 a platter, $8 for a gyro,
That look good.
and they got spicy rice. We don't got spicy rice here, but if you like spicy rice, Adele's has spicy rice.
Mm-hmm.
Woo!
You look good. All right, sorry.
Okay, all right.
So, what was this green sauce? Do you remember?
He said jalapeno sauce. The green sauce is a
okay.
jalapeno sauce. You know, this stay hot sauce. This extra white sauce, but they already put the white and the hot on there for us.
Yeah, because if you didn't do that, you wanted it on the side, you had to pay extra. Don't thumbnail.
Oh, thumbnail.
You're the worst.
Cheese. Cheese. Cheese.
No more.
No more. Cheese. All right. Guys, I'm hungry.
What else?
And I'm excited. I've never had Adele's. Oh, okay. I'm going with the chicken and the rice first. Cause we got half and half, so I'm gonna try the chicken with the rice first.
I don't even see my chicken.
You gotta look for it.
Oh.
The chicken kind of red.
Oh, okay.
I get the first bite. Ooh, that thing
Chicken
hot.
is
I see the
kinda
steam. Steam still coming off there. Ooh, chicken and rice. Got some seasoning in there.
I sure do.
They season their meat.
I don't know about you, but my chicken was moist. It didn't feel dry. But let me take another bite.
Got some seasoning in there. Adel.
They even have some pita bread in here.
That chicken is good. It has flavor. It's seasoned.
Wait, let me take some reverse. Where's my rice, man? So do we have veggies in here too, like lettuce and stuff? Because I know
there's some salad on the other side somewhere. I think I do. I have some salad right here. Not looking forward to that.
you have to learn to eat healthy.
Okay.
You never want to eat healthy.
That's good. Pita bread.
Okay. Okay.
Pita bread's alright. Alright.
Oh, I got.
I'm gonna lie, the pita bread a little stiff. Pita bread a little stiff. That chicken.
That rice got flavor too.
That chicken seasoned and it's moist.
It really is. Your pita bread stiff?
A little bit. Guys, pita bread with some
Not
salad.
mine. My pita bread tastes good.
Got a little bit of hot sauce on there. Hot sauce got a kick.
So this is that hot sauce that they put on our.
You know, first let me rate the chicken. Let me rate the chicken, man.
I personally rated it a 10. It's pretty good.
You get the chicken a 10?
Yeah.
I'm gonna get the chicken like a 9. It's moist and it's seasoned.
So why you don't give it a 10?
Because I don't feel like it.
You gonna get your ass beat today. Today?
Because it's not a game changer.
Today?
It's not a game changer.
It's good. It for me is really good.
I want to try this green sauce. I mean, I have white sauce.
Can I smell it?
Yeah, you can smell it after I pour a little of my food. I got white sauce, hot sauce already. I want to see what this green sauce is.
Mmm. You can smell jalapeno on it.
For real?
Yeah.
Green sauce.
I feel like no other place offered green sauce, you know.
Well, a few of them have green
Really?
sauce. We just never asked for it.
I don't know.
Green sauce got some flavor. It got some
Mmm. That's good. Put some over here.
There you go. Green sauce got some flavor.
Wow, that's pretty good.
It does. It got some flavor. So guys, you ever had chicken and rice? Halal? Comment below if you ever have it in your hometown.
Some halal trucks don't do lamb and chicken. They do beef and chicken. So let us know what you guys have tried. What combination?
Yeah, that green sauce is good. It's not hot. It's just flavor. Like a tangy. I'm gonna give that green sauce a 10.
Absolutely. That thing is good, good.
I'm gonna need a little more green sauce.
That thing is good, good. Mmm.
Woo!
It's really good.
That hot sauce.
That's not even hot sauce.
You tried it?
The green sauce?
Hot.
Oh no. But they have some on it's over here. Is it hot?
You wanna pour some of this on yours?
No, you got one open. I use that one.
Is the hot sauce open?
Which one?
It's open
It
already?
looks so.
No, 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 no. Oh, no. No, no.
No, it ain't open.
Yo, you OD. No, I didn't even ask you to do that.
You didn't open. You asked me to do the green one, so I did the red one for you.
Well, you gotta wait. I ain't asked for that.
That's crazy. Guys, hot sauce.
You out of pocket for that shit.
Out of pocket for that shit.
Woo.
You out of pocket.
I ain't put too much on yours, right?
No ma'am. No ma'am. No ma'am.
I don't even know. You just pour the shit.
We ain't got no drinks.
That sounds like a you problem.
Woo. Well, that hot sauce hot.
You should have done that on your own, not on my shit. Don't do that
The
again.
hot sauce hot.
Don't do that shit again.
I ain't put too much on there, right? Now we ain't got no drinks. Damn.
That hot sauce is hot.
That's what I said. That hot sauce hot. Damn, I ain't put too much on
You
there.
did. You put a lot.
That's crazy.
You put half the bottle.
Let me give you a little more.
You ain't got no behavior. Go out of here. Get out of here.
That hot sauce is hot.
All
I don't even want to rate that hot sauce.
right, let's try the lamb. Let's try the lamb.
Adel's hot sauce, I'm gonna give that thing a 9 because it's hot as hell. Oh, lamb. All right, let me get a little spoon of lamb to show y'all.
Look at that, lamb and rice.
Oh, damn, I done dropped. I fed the dog. All right, this is the lamb.
Oh, me too.
Ready?
Oh yeah.
You already ate.
Don't worry about
I already know you already ate. Oh God.
it. Yo, I'm dropping everything.
Lamb good too. That
Oh, let me
lamb.
put some hot sauce on it for you. Now you put a little bit.
No, stop playing.
Let me put a little bit.
Don't play.
Let me put a little bit.
Don't play. I already put hot sauce.
You didn't put no enough.
I put enough.
Don't touch my shit, I'm telling you.
Stop playing up in your cunt. I put enough. Guys, that lamb is delicious.
This green sauce.
They got the lamb on the I don't even know what that's called.
Me neither, but we always see it
That
like,
cylinder thing.
and you shred it off.
Where you
Like,
slice it off. So they
thing the truth.
slice the lamb off the cylinder thing that spins, and then they put it on the grill. That lamb's good. I'm gonna get that lamb a 10. Whew, Adele's. I got my vote.
absolutely. I got my vote too.
The only thing I left to rate is this salad.
Bro, don't even rate salad because you don't like anything healthy.
I'm gonna rate the salads. Don't worry about me, you know.
You don't eat nothing healthy.
Don't worry about me. Let me scoop up some salad. All right, salad.
And watch his response. Watch.
Oh, damn. I think I found the meat. Hey, there you go. Here's what I dropped. All right. The salad is saladed.
What?
I knew you was gonna say that. The salad is saladed. That's not even what number is that?
I said the salad is salading.
And what number is that? What number? What
Guys.
is it? What number between 0 and 10?
The salad is salading.
This shit ain't even English.
This is busting. I would definitely go back to Adele's.
Absolutely.
I'm full though.
I'm a little full too, but I'm gonna eat it.
I'm gonna do one more spoon. That green sauce is really good.
This white sauce is really good.
Guys,
This platter is really good. If you guys are in New York City,
Adele's
stop at Adel's 50th
and 6th.
and 6th Avenue. Alright?
Ooh.
I
Get-
have
get your
absolutely
combo.
no complaints.
This is one of the best halal foods I've eaten. Adele's?
Yeah.
Sucks, I'm full. I don't know, maybe they put MSG in there, but I'm full already.
That's
It's
okay
really
with me
good.
too.
Guys, hope you liked this video.
Let us know if you had it before and if you liked it.
Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And we are out.